Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi leli komiti kufanele lethembeke futhi umkhwebane abone nayo ubulungiswa.
This is for the sake of the integrity of the process and for the sake of the integrity of this committee and for the public protector to see justice being done. Not justice only being done, but it has to be seen.
uMalema ukhale kakhulu ngokuyiphatha kaSihlalo waleli komiti.
You are somehow under a very serious dark cloud, and this is going to affect your judgment. It's going to affect your performance.
Umholi we-UDM uJenene Bantolo Ms ufuna incazelo kuSihlalo waleli komiti mayelana nesicelo sika advocate Mkhwebane sokuthi ashenxe kulesi sikhundla.
What I would like to request from you is to state briefly why the public protector is asking you to recuse yourself, because you didn't tell us the reasons.
uSihlalo uziphendulele wathi akenzi ngokwakho ukuqonda kuphela kodwa usebenzisana namalunga leli komiti.
I don't sit here measuring which inputs are important than the other inputs. I listen to all inputs, even inputs critical to me as a chair.
Lesi sicawu siyaqhubeka. Silindo kuhle ngidi endabeni ze-SABC.